Let's begin by creating a new presentation so you can learn about the Slides interface. The Slides interface allows you to edit, format, share, and collaborate on presentations. At the end of this lesson, you will have a good understanding of how the interface works and how to use it. This is the main presentation editing area that allows you to edit individual slides. You can click inside of a slide and start typing to insert text. You can do standard copying and pasting. You can also drag and drop sections of text or images around the slide to move them. To the left of the main editing area, you will find the slide list. This displays all the slides in your presentation, allows you to switch to other slides, and allows you to rearrange the order of the slides. When you open a presentation or create a new one, the editor will be in film strip view. You also have the option to switch to grid view, where all of your slides will be listed horizontally in the window. This action bar contains all the formatting options that allow you to adjust the look and positioning of elements in the presentation. Depending on what you have selected in the editing area, the options in the action bar will adjust accordingly. We will go into detail about all of these options in a later lesson. Above the action bar is the menu that allows you to make changes to the presentation settings, adjust slides, insert rich media such as images, create tables, and more. We will cover how the menu options work as we continue through all the lessons. In the top right corner, you can control who has access to edit, view, or comment on the presentation. Now that you have a good understanding of how the Slides interface works, you are ready to learn how to use it.